Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making 5 super easy, super quick and most inexpensive tassel earrings. So let's get started with my first attempt. Here I have taken vibrant yellow cotton yarn, jewelry hooks and from the pack of jewelry essentials, 2 small rings. You can also get such hooks and rings from your old earrings. Cut the yarn into 2 equal parts, each for 1 earring. Now follow the simple steps. So now we have to squeeze its one end into the ring . Hold it tight and carefully comb it. Take another piece of thread and wrap around the neck for 10 to 15 times. Once you are done, double knot the thread. Cut the excess thread. Brush it well to make it voluminous. Now evenly cut the ends in a straight line. Now using small pliers, make little space. Now allow the hook to pass through the ring. And push close the gap. Brush it one last time and it is ready to rock. Similarly, I made one in blue color as well, and it took me even lesser time than the previous one. The only difference here is I used one whole yarn for each earring. These are really fun to make and look super amazing. You can make it with any color of your choice, match it with your outfit or mood. Up next is the layered one. This is little different but not difficult. You just need to follow the steps. Here I am using small rectangular piece of cardboard to make the tassel. And for layering, we will need 6 such tassels. Now basically with needle and thread, I am stacking 3 tassels one by one. And finally attaching the hook. I love this one so much that I made one more, a similar earring in ombre effect and little big in size. After deciding color of my choice, I made tassel out of them and brought them all together. And these are my favorite one. The last earring is super easy. For this one, I have taken out ring and hooks from my old earring which I don't wear anymore. And I have taken maroon color cotton yarn for this one. Then I cut it into 2 equal parts. After that, I took 2 strands of thread at one time and created such loop and pulled out the thread, creating tassel-like pattern. And repeated this on the half of the ring. Then I cut it, giving a circular shape. That's it, it's done. I hope you like this easy fun DIYs. Let me know in the comment box which one is your favorite. Like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.